In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a voice changer for free in Roblox. So first thing we need to do is close out of the Roblox game and open up an internet browser. You can then go and search for Voicemod and press enter, and you need to click on this website here, which is voicemod.net. Once you're on this website, click on the download for free button, and this will work on both Windows and also Mac computer. So your download should begin straight away. You can just click on your downloads folder in the top right hand side, and you can open up the Voicemod installer file. Now we can simply go through the steps to install this to your computer, so press OK, and then click on next. Agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Click on next again and select next. You can then finally click install. Once it's finished installing, click on finish and it should automatically open up Voicemod. Once it's finished installing, click on get started. You'll then need to sign in with your Voicemod account and you can press next. Now click on the drop down next to microphone, and this is where you need to go and select your microphone. You could then click on the drop down next to headphones and then either select your speakers or your headphones from the list and click on next. Now you can press start using Voicemod. Now click on voices over in the top left hand side, and here you'll see all of these different free sound effects that you can use. Now there are also some paid sound effects as well if you want to go premium, but there's also some free ones that you can select from this list. Now once you've selected your sound effect, we then need to go and link Voicemod to Roblox. Now to do this, we can just go and open up the Roblox app. Once you're in Roblox, you can head inside of one of your games. Once you're in a Roblox game, click on the Roblox icon in the top left hand side, click on settings. You can then scroll down to the input device and make sure your microphone is set to your microphone voice mod like this. Once you've done this, you can head out of the settings page. You can then start applying your sound effects in Voicemod, and when you talk in the Roblox voice chat, it's automatically going to use this sound effect.